Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, how long will the Jal Utsav festival last? 10 days, 15 days, 1 month or 7 days? The correct answer is option B, 15 days. The Jal Utsav will be a 15-day campaign running from 6th to 24th November. Next question, which organization developed the Mars orbital mission, that is Mangalyaan? NASA, ESA, JAXA or ISRO? The correct answer is option D, ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, developed Mangalyaan, India's first interplanetary mission. Next question, how many hyperspectral satellites are included in the initial Fireflies constellation? 4, 6, 8 or 10? The correct answer is option B, 6. The Fireflies constellation comprises 6 hyperspectral satellites set to launch early next year. Next question, what weather phenomenon is expected to worsen food insecurity through March 2025 according to UN report? El Nino, La Nina, tropical cyclone or monsoon? The correct answer is option B, La Nina. The La Nina phenomenon, expected to persist through March 2025, is anticipated to cause weather extremes that may exacerbate food insecurity. Next question, how many Asmi machine pistols have been inducted into the Indian Army's Northern Command? 500, 550, 600 or 650? The correct answer is option B, 550. The Indian Army has inducted 550 Asmi machine pistols into its Northern Command. Next question, how many members are in the US Electoral College? 500, 435, 538 or 600? The correct answer is option C, 538. The Electoral College comprises 538 members who elect the US President. Next question, what prestigious award did Sharda Sinha receive in recognition of her contributions to music? Padma Bhushan, Filmfare Award, National Film Award or Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is option A, Padma Bhushan. In January 2018, she was awarded the Padma Bhushan, one of India's highest civilian honors, acknowledging her significant impact on folk music. Next question, under the Namo drone Didi scheme, what is the maximum altitude allowed for flying drones in India? 100 feet, 200 feet, 300 feet or 400 feet? The correct answer is option D, 400 feet. Drones under this scheme must operate within a maximum altitude of 400 feet above ground level. Next question, who has been appointed as the Secretary General of the World Agriculture Forum? Dr. Ashish Khanna, Dr. Jacqueline D. Arrows Hughes, Dr. Narendra Modi or Dr. Rudy Rabinj? The correct answer is option B, Dr. Jacqueline D. Arrows Hughes. Dr. Jacqueline D. Arrows Hughes, the outgoing Director General of ICRISAT, will assume the role of Secretary General of WAF in mid-November 2024. Last question, what are the maximum sustained winds of Tropical Storm Rafael? 45 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, 75 miles per hour or 90 miles per hour? The correct answer is option B, 60 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Rafael has maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, which contribute to its potential for further strengthening. Now is the time to test your knowledge. How many tigers are reported missing from Ranthambore National Park? 10, 25, 30 or 15? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.